Hopefully this is working. Do I still look like that? Not really. God, I've aged. Carrying on with NixOS discovery. Oh, to be honest, I'm feeling pretty out of it. But this is me feigning it. No, I'm not feigning. I am genuinely interested. I'm just not feeling very excitable. Okay, so I did make a kind of a plan what I wanted to achieve. Let's make it a bit bigger so you can read it. How do I make things bigger? Yeah, I kind of want to understand the mapping between the config and the system. Like I did try rollbacking, but it doesn't like tell you like what you roll back to. So for me, the rollback, the versions of the system kind of need to like link to my config, like pretty one-to-one. So I know what the hell's going on. Oh, where's my chat window gone? I used to have a chat window. Oh man, and I love that chat window too. Chat, yeah. Bring it back. Oh, yeah, here it goes. Hi. Is it working? Sorry guys, being really boring. Yeah, it looks like it's working great. Okay, so let's get on with it. Okay, so. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, just getting on with it. Okay, I guess I want to focus on this data management thing. Yeah, and the reason is because I have an old configuration, SmokePing configuration, that I want to move to my... I think I should probably rename this thing. I should call this like... I want this to be like NixOS SmokePing. Because I really like SmokePing and I want to run it on a couple of other ones. Let's not do that one for sure. Social preview. No. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah. So the issue we have right here is what I mentioned over here. One thing that pees me off no end is that zero conf doesn't seem to work. Oh God. I'm not even sure how to make that. Because I think Matthew and I were suspecting it was something to do with the VirtualBox, but I had the same problem when I copied my config to my pies. And let me prove that to you now. If I go ping like that, I mean, Avahi's running here, right? Avahi. Like, how do you show the config? NixOS. Show current configuration summary. Ooh. Does it really actually show you the config? It doesn't show you that it's running SmokePing or anything. Not quite what I was looking for. Not quite what I was looking for. Okay, let me ask how do I show the configuration summary? Like configuration.nix without the comments and stuff. Doesn't show, for example, that oh god. Can I type properly? Okay, so this really should work. And likewise, from my own machine, if I go ping rep3.local, that should work too, but that doesn't work either. Yeah, it's not good. That doesn't work. That does work. Well, oh, great. Now works. Oh, man. The fact that it's flaky on a reproducible system is like alarm bells, man. Alarm bells. Oh, I didn't. And now this should work too, like, you know. Goodness. From my own Arch Linux machine, I cannot ping the Ruby. repeat? I mean, am I daft for using Bonjour and zeroconf? I feel it's kind of cool technology and it's kind of stable too. I like names. I don't want to assign static IPs to things or trust my DHCPD. But so there must be some issue with that. What does it do? Okay, so the goal here, goal is to have a quick SmokePing configuration for a quick. It's probably a better word for this. A shrink wrapped. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me try ping something else. Is it able to ping my macOS machine? Yes. Aha. Okay, now it's time to try and debug this. Debug. First, you need to describe the problem. I have there's a pattern to follow when you file bugs, and I think I've written about it. I wish I'd follow my own advice. Oh. I have the same intermittent issue, but my config is minimal. Have you got this to work reliably? Save. Oh, interesting. IRC logs, that's old. System error. So this is a bit small for you. It's pretty small for me. Monty. Monty, did you ever figure it out? This ISE filter is quite fun. Actually, I should just look at the logs, right? Yep. Let's have a look at the logs. Nothing gets reported to the logs. Great. I don't use IPv6. Could it be an IPv6 issue? Now it works great. Now it works great. Hey Ben, how are you doing? I'm just debugging why Avahi doesn't seem to work. I get a system error occasionally. Let me just paste it in here. Failed to read that. What does that mean? That's weird. Okay, let me try ping from my MacBook. Ruby 3 local. No, it doesn't seem to look like it's finding it. Cannot resolve. How does mine work? I can't even remember how mine works. I don't think you need Avahi anymore. Or do you? I don't think I run Avahi in my own system. Oh my God, I think it's a systemd thing nowadays. System D. Respond. Oh man, you know, this is the worst thing, right? I've set this up so many times and I still don't remember how it works. My memory is just so bad. DNS SD. Did I enable that somehow? I guess it would be my network, wouldn't it? System network. Yo. Multicast DNS, yes. If set to true, the multicast flag of the device is enabled. No, it's not, is it? It's probably something, some resolve setting or something. I'm puzzled here. I'm so puzzled because I don't even run Avahi on my Arch machine and it works. Hey. Hey, Will. I don't understand how my own computer works. What does this one do? That system isn't available after the build unless you took steps to preserve it, such as using the copy system configuration. So if I switch to a system, I don't know what that system's config is. That sounds wrong. Users list. I see. Show users in channel. Names. Oh my god. Okay. In system D, my host name is foo, and other machines on my network see my machine as foo.local. What actually makes that work? Yeah. Yeah, I'm okay. I think I'm like 80% over my illness. Cold. But my brain's not working. I can't even remember how zeroconf works. Zeroconf system D. System D resolve D. Okay, my old, yeah, sorry, I'm just losing my effing mind here. I don't remember. I don't understand how my own arching machine works anymore. Yeah. That doesn't tell. I'm missing something really basic here. I'm missing something really basic. I'm so confused. Yeah. Legion. Right. Why didn't you just get a normal ThinkPad, dude? You're a gamer. You're a Minecraft user. Yo. I've got mDNS working here. I think that's the name of the thing. Don't know how I enabled it. Let me search for mDNS Archinix. But I'm not even running Avahi on my system. Am I? This is where I'm really confused. How does it work on my own system? Oh, wait. Is it this bad boy? I don't actually understand how it even works in my own goddamn system. I give up. Just put a note here. My current thinking is if I move to using systemd Avahi implementation, then I don't need to run Avahi, which doesn't work. How can I? It's able to be resolved by Mac machines network. But yeah, could it be my router's settings? To be honest, I would not. If I can get away with not running a Vahi daemon, I think I would. Yeah. I feel like I don't know. I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. But I really like Zerocom. Ooh. Damjan. That name Damjan sounds familiar. This is what I want to do. How did you set up to do this, please? Oh no, Vahi is written by Leonard. I can't. Oh my goodness. Do. Means enabled, I guess. mDNS. To be honest, I don't understand. See anything in my etc systemd that toggles it on. Ah, this is a little laggy. Did I change my ThinkPad? No, I still have a ThinkPad. I'm running a T14 Gen 3. Ooh. Doing? Doesn't tell me. Oh no. Oh no, what have I done? Just open. Yeah, it's so basically I must have run resolve CTL at some point and changed some setting. I don't even remember doing that. Yep. I think Abhishek, you should just shop around. I think ThinkPads are pretty cheap. And you want to get yourself a T series ThinkPad. Don't go for these idea books. Keyboard sucks too hard. Does ZeroConf work across Docker? I feel like I'm going to spend the whole day debugging ZeroConf. I really don't feel like doing that. And let me just focus on this. Okay. Okay, so can't believe the weather here. Okay, so just to reset expectations here, I have an existing SmokePing machine, and I want to put it into the SmokePing configuration. So we have a targets file here, and to be honest, what did I type in there? I want to bring the data with me too. The data is quite important to me because I like to see the history. So basically, I want the same history inside my new Nix machine. So I want to work out how I can copy the data across. Okay, you know what I'm trying to do here? No, that's wrong machine. I want to go into this machine, yeah. So I need to make sure my SSH is forwarding. It is. Okay, let me just put a staging area here. Old SmokePing stuff. Old SmokePing stuff. Yeah, first off, I need this configuration. I see PP. Targets. That work? Okay, and then I need the data. Data? Why is it asking me every damn time? Oh. I'm losing my mind. Oh God, I'm just not having a great day. Making the stupidest mistakes. So these RRD files, I guess, have records of all the things I've been pinging over the years. Not very readable, but hopefully SmokePing can understand them. Okay. So we have the targets. Now I want to copy this to my test machine. SmokePing import. That was fast. Why is that so fast? Just Raspberry Pi IO is just terrible. Okay. So I have this running here, don't I? No, I don't. Why is that? Why isn't my NixOS running SmokePing? Mm-hmm. It is running. It's not running. Now it's running. That's annoying. Okay, so this is the one. So I'm getting like 1 millisecond to... Actually, I forgot. What am I even pinging? 1 millisecond to 8888. That's quite good, isn't it? Yeah, it's the same what I'm getting from my Pi. So this is actually a virtual box, just so FYI. So this VirtualBox network thing is getting about the same as the physical hardware of my Pi. Okay, fine. Fine. Okay, so now I want to configure my configuration here. Okay, so what is the thing that I use to edit? What's the way you have to edit? It's this one. Okay, is that working? Yeah, it is. So I think all the SmokePing related things, I'm going to just put it into another config. I'm going to call it the SmokePing.nix. Then I'm going to put this stuff in here and there, just to tidy up everything. Yank, paste. Nice. And then I'll put, what? Oh no, this is, oh my God. Yanking is changed. Oh my God. Oh, there it is. It's YY instead of capital Y for some reason in newb. Whoever changed that, I hate you. Okay, so there's, okay, so we got smokeping.nix. I think I need to put that weird configure. I need to put this thing above it. Don't know why, but it's like a header. That's it. Is that correct? The format is working, so I'm guessing everything is right in the world. Let's see if that works. I think it's correct. Let's let me change it. Let me just change it ever so slightly. Eight. systemctl. It's running. It's running. Yep. I'm confused. Refuse to connect. It was working, then it stopped working. It all looks fine here. THTPD. Oh, failure. Yeah, let's try that again. If I can only read. Okay, now it's working, right? 8888. Perfect. Okay, so that is working. There we go. Let me just commit that. Split out. SmokePing specific stuff. Okay, push. Oh man. Okay, so next thing I want to do is go in here and then get the target configuration from a file. Instead of this chunk of text. I wonder if I can just get inspired by what I see on the internets. File name. I mean, this is how I like to learn. I like to learn by reading code, not actually by looking at documentation so much. Everyone learns differently, guys. Orchard. Don't know what that's supposed to mean. Is my stream even working? You guys are very quiet. My stream isn't working. Yeah, it's working. Okay. Target config. Okay, he's got this variable. Interesting. How does that variable work? Config file. Looks empty. Yo, it's going to take me some time to figure out. I'm probably. Let's look at another person's thing. I don't see the need of. No. This is actually the module definition. I don't want the module definition. Can I go no modules? I don't know how you do that query. GitHub search, not with file name matching. Exclude particular file. Yes, how do you do that? Maybe path. I don't want to see modules. Filter. Oh, that's a long one. Oh, this is Atom. Oh, God. Okay, I don't know what to do yet. Just go through it. Interesting. So they split it two. Whoa, this two config. Huh? This guy's really split it up somehow. Mouse? Okay. Okay, he's just listed it in there. Not quite what I wanted. Okay. Nix, how to include a file in configuration. Like, I would love to know, like, when you build it, what's the final configuration? I still don't even know how to do that. Actually, let's just go run. What's it called? Run. So if I go 8, oh no, I probably don't have RG. Grep 8. You know what I mean? It's like, there's the configuration. How come I not, why can't I see it here? Actually, let me just put RG before I forget. I'm guessing it's called RG. I love the rip grep. Okay, the search is not very useful. Guessing this is how you reference it. I mean, everything's so complicated here. Like, why is it this? Legacy packages, blah, 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 blah. Why can't it just be the name? undefined variable RG. Oh, it's not a variable, it's a package, actually. Hey, Zelko. Sorry, I'm in a frustrated mood. Zelkobitschik. That sounds kind of not German. Where are you really from? Sorry. Mm-hmm. Examine etc. Okay. 8. Well, I know that's my configuration, but how do I know what? Okay, how do I make rip grip follow symlinks? Minus L. Okay. 8 minus L. I'm losing it, man. What? How come? How come? You know, I have a configuration. I apply that declarative configuration, but I can't see it. Is it because it's in the Nix store or something? If I searched in here, would I find it? It's not there either. Is it varlib smoking ping? Var. Ah, var. Hey, it's in the var. But that's still not the configuration I'm looking for. I'll just search the whole damn system, I guess. It's in the proc. Okay, yeah, that's just the process thing. Ignore that. Ignore this outputs. find me where my configuration is. Could it be that it just puts the config into memory? It doesn't actually write it out as a file? Where does it get its config from? Default config. Let's have a look inside here. What's inside here? What does that mean? There must be a lot. There's a lot of path rewriting in NixOS, isn't there? It still doesn't explain where it gets the targets from by default. I'm so confused. I'm looking at the right machine on time. How does it know about this? Just in details. Good idea. It's in a different directory entirely. What? Finally, I found it. But it's a bit worrying how long it took me to find this. I mean, ripgrep is not having a great time here. let's give it a bit of a shortcut here. Hey, thanks a lot, Jared. That is a good tip you just gave me. Okay, the RG did get through in the end. Must have got stuck at a dev or something. I just hate these long lines too. Can I just go grep config here? Boing. And then when I go, that's the trouble. Like NixOS, does it really have to be like this long a hash? I mean, because like YouTube hashes are what, 6 characters or what are they nowadays? Probably 8. Oh God. I mean, how long did it? I found it quickly, didn't it? Okay, that's. Okay, now I know. Now I know. Thank you. Thank you. Now I know. Now I know. So what I'm thinking here is that I want to configure my NixOS service with this configuration. I don't really want to. Okay, maybe maybe it is a wise idea to. Okay. Okay. Thanks, Jared. So the next thing I need to figure out is how to edit my Nix configuration with my targets. So I'm just going to copy my targets across here. So basically, I want the targets file to come into here. So read in targets. Or is it similar to what that one there? Yeah, it looks. Maybe not that part, but the rest looks exactly the same. Okay, so how do you read in a file? That's my next question for you guys. Nix, how to include a file. I was kind of doing it here. No, I was kind of doing it. Imports. Do I have to use this imports? It sounds a bit weird. Okay. Read in targets. Let me just read the configuration. Oh, what are the... how do I add a file? Is it that simple? Can I just go targets? That would be nice. Is it that simple? Let's test it. Definition option is not of type strings. Huh. Okay, but okay, so there's a type conversion that needs to happen. Built-in read file. Okay. Will that work? Now, you see, at this point, I want to look at the configuration. Jared, how do I look at the configuration before I switch to it? Has it created an install for me, perhaps? What can I grep for here? I will grep for this. Oh. Maybe it has created a configuration. Yes. It looks good. Interesting. But why can't it just tell me the... Like when I ran that test, it would be nice if it just told me like, this is the new NixOS things that I've computed. Oh God, my shell just went weird. Okay, let's just see if this actually worked. Oh, it was in result. Okay, made the change. System, for some reason, it doesn't work until I restart it manually. I don't know why. And now it's working. And now if I look at SmokePing, I got my config, yay! I don't know why it looks so ugly. Yeesh. Oh. Okay, so okay, let me test your theory there. I'm going to add something else here. I'm just going to call it something ridiculous. NixOS cache. Binary cache. It's like cache dot. Oh, here it is. Can it be a domain? Yes, it can. We call it food cache. Can I ping this? That's not looking good. Okay. Can I ping NixOS wiki, baby? ICMP is not working with you guys. Arch is still in my heart. Arch endpoint or something. So if I do a test, can't really tell what the config is. This .drev is confusing me. So if I go result, and then I go arch endpoint. Okay, you know what I did? I did a test, not a build. Then I do an arch endpoint. Why didn't that work? I think that's kind of ridiculous that you're supposed to grep for it. Let me just go back. Maybe it did spell it out, but I just missed it. .conf, okay. Build. Building the system configuration. What is it here now? Maybe. Please, would copy and pasting please work on my system? Don't know what's going on here. Don't know what that's supposed to mean. Still, it's not very clear. Uh-oh. $69 megacom. Will you find a girl for me? What do I have to do to get rid of spam? I think this is the first time I've ever seen spam on my chat. They must be desperate if they're going on my channel. Report unwanted hide user from my channel. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm going to take a break. See ya. Bye. Thanks, Jared, for your help. I'm sure just